Hello everyone. This is an amplitude modulation and demodulation setup for a power line. As you can see, this is the complete setup from the far view. You can see. So here you can see this is my preamplifier. You can see this is my preamplifier. I am not using a real amplifier. I am just using a preamplifier. That's why my audio output will be very low, but still it is detectable. You can see this is my preamplifier. This is the first stage and this is the second stage. So after the preamplifier, the audio input is fed to this ring modulator. You can see it is fed to this ring modulator. In the ring modulator, I am also feeding a carrier frequency of 48 kilohertz. So 48 kilohertz carrier frequency is coming to this ring modulator through this green wire, you can see. And also the audio signal is coming to the ring modulator through this yellow wire. You can see. So this yellow wire is bringing the audio signal and the green wire is bringing the carrier signal. So from here you can see this is the output of the ring modulator and these two terminals are ground. You can see. So this is the output of the ring modulator. Here the signal is mixed. This is the modulated signal output. The carrier signal and the modulating signal both are mixed here. So this is the modulated signal output and it is fed to this current limiting resistor. You can see. And after this it is fed to this power MOSFET. You can see this is the clear view. The power MOSFET is driving this transformer coil. You can see this is the transformer coil. Here is my oscilloscope. So this is the transformer coil the power MOSFET is driving. So you can see here these two wires, these are the wires used for transmission line connections. So presently I am not connecting it with the 220 volts transmission line. That's why I just kept them connected here on the breadboard. You can see I am not using these windings now. First I am checking the modulation and the demodulation of this circuit. So as you can see here, you can see here the modulated signal is fed to this power MOSFET and it is fed to this power transformer. So one of the windings, this transformer has three windings. One winding is the transmit winding, this is the receive winding and this is the transmission line winding. You can see there are three windings. So the first winding, this winding is used for the transmitter. So this is the transmitter winding, this is the receiver winding and this is the transmission line winding. So I am taking the receiver winding and I am feeding it to this demodulator. You can see here this is the Schottky rectifier, here is the capacitor and these two resistances are there. So this is basically an envelope detector. So finally what's happening, the modulated signal is sent to this power MOSFET and it is driving this transformer. The output of this transformer in one winding is fed to this demodulator and I am getting the output of the demodulator to this speaker. You can see. So this is the speaker. Here we are expecting some audio output. So presently my audio file is off. So I can hear the carrier presence here. If you clearly notice, you can hear the carrier. Some part of the carrier will be detectable here. So now let us switch on the audio file. So I am going to switch on the audio file. So you can see here this is ready. So I have switched on. You can hear the audio file is audible. You can hear the sound is appearing on the speaker. That means what's happening? The sound from the headphone, from the cell phone is fed to this audio preamplifier. It is getting amplified here. And from here it is getting mixed in the ring modulator with the carrier frequency. So from here I am getting 48 kilohertz carrier frequency from the IC 555. On the ring modulator both the signals are getting mixed and from here it is being fed to this power MOSFET. The power MOSFET is driving this transformer. The one of the windings of this transformer is fed to this envelope detector. The output of this envelope detector is fed to this speaker. So whatever we are feeding from here, we can hear it back. You can hear whatever we are feeding, we can hear it back. So let us look into the waveforms. You can see this is the dynamic waveform. This is the envelope detector input and output. The green pen is the envelope detector input and the yellow pen is the envelope detector output. You can see here the sound is on the top, and here you can see these are the sound waves. So like this amplitude modulation works. If I zoom out, you can see this is the real waveform. You can see the carrier presence. You can see. So this is the amplitude modulation. So this is how the circuit is behaving. In the next video, I am going to couple this circuit with the transmission line 220 volts AC mains line using this winding. Till then, watch the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.